International Community School is a secondary school in the heart of London. We have approximately 130 students from about 35 different countries from around the world.
I've been in ICS for 5 years now, and it's kind of like a second home.
Well, hopefully I'm going to be studying law, and I think being at ICS has really helped me decide that law's for me, because when I learn, it's just me talking to the teacher. It's not like the teacher talking down to you and saying you have to do this now. They don't say you have to do it. I just do it because I know that's what I want for myself.
The reasons why I come here is, first off, the diversity, because in lots of English schools you don't really have that kind of diversity.
If I stay in Brunei, I wouldn't be able to be exposed to this kind of environment.
And spoke such scurvy and provoking terms against your honor. That to the little godliness I have.
We have a very diverse student body, very international, so students from all over the world. Also our teaching staff is from all over the world. We all kind of understand what people are going through and being in a new place and a new environment, and the staff are very supportive of the students in that.
Personalising the education for every student in this school is another fundamental goal inherent in our school philosophy. This means trying to identify individual paths for our students, monitoring them right from the first day in our school environment, and tracking them academically and indeed more holistically throughout the time that they spend with us.
Studying in London is really good as opposed to other smaller cities, because London's so diverse and it has such a different range of people in it that there's so many different things to do. For example, in music, we're going to go to the London Music Experience, and I think it's going to be really useful to my studies.
In London, because there's so many things going on, our teachers are very good at creating a curriculum which allows us to take advantage of what's going on in London at particular times of the year.
I think just going out to see galleries, it kind of motivates you more to work harder.
Inherent throughout the academic year are a number of local, national and international trips, and we encourage all of our children to participate not only during their school vacations on some of our more exotic international trips, which have typical themes of environmental literacy and outdoor education. And I've just come back from a 3-day trip to our outdoor classroom in Bawdsey, Suffolk, where the whole faculty, our whole teaching staff, participate in their actual academic lessons, but in the outside. Maths on the beach, for example, geography, soil samples across the campus, and our phys ed programme will be conducting an orienteering course, athletics course, football tournaments, etc. in this outdoor space.
I chose ICS over the other schools in London, mainly due to the fact that it's a smaller school and it's international. You know, when it's smaller, you get paid more attention, and generally I think the quality of education is a lot better.
Well, I like ICS because it's really a close environment. I only have 6 people in my class, so I get one-on-one time with the teachers.
I want you to think about the 2 technologies you've learnt about today, and think about how this school could use those technologies in our classrooms and to power our school.
This strategy of personalising education also supports our more able and our more gifted students, and through our academic programmes we can certainly challenge this group of students through obviously extended work, independent projects. We have introduced a one-to-one netbook for every student, which began first week of school. For our students that are more academically able, we are excelling them through the middle years programme, and of course then into the IB Diploma programme.
Next year I would like to do the Diploma programme, and I think it's really good because it's basically a continuation of the MYP, so it fits with what I already know, but it also fits to tons of other things. And it's not as specific, so you really keep your options open, and it offers lots of opportunities where you go later on in life, because the IB is such a diverse thing and it's acclaimed everywhere.